The Charisma Myth by Olivia Fox Cabane is a groundbreaking book that challenges the traditional notion of charisma as an innate personal quality possessed by a select few individuals. Instead, the author argues that charisma is a skill that can be learned and developed by anyone. The book provides a comprehensive guide to understanding and cultivating charisma, offering practical strategies and techniques based on scientific research and real-world examples. Cabane begins by defining charisma as a social influence process that engages and inspires others. She distinguishes between old-school charisma, which is primarily associated with extroverted dominant personalities, and new-school charisma, which is more inclusive and can be exhibited by introverts and extroverts alike. The author contends that charisma is not about being likable or agreeable. Rather, it's about having the ability to connect with others on a deep emotional level and inspire them to action. One of the key concepts in the charisma myth is the idea of power posing. Drawing on research by social psychologist Amy Cuddy, Cabane explains how adopting expansive, open body postures can increase levels of testosterone, a hormone associated with confidence and assertiveness, and decrease levels of cortisol, a stress hormone. By practicing power poses before important meetings or presentations, individuals can enhance their charisma and improve their performance. Another important aspect of charisma, according to Cabane, is the use of charming stories. These are personal anecdotes that illustrate a particular point or value, and they help others see the world through the storyteller's perspective. Charming stories create emotional connections, build trust, and make the storyteller more memorable. The author provides guidance on crafting effective stories and offers examples from successful leaders, such as Steve Jobs and Barack Obama. The book also delves into the role of powerful nonverbal signals in conveying charisma. Cabane discusses the importance of maintaining eye contact, using open and expansive gestures, and maintaining a consistent and confident posture. She emphasizes the need to be aware of nonverbal cues from others as well, as this can help individuals read the room and adjust their behavior accordingly. In addition to these interpersonal skills, the charisma myth highlights the importance of developing a strong personal brand. This involves clarifying one's values, passions, and unique strengths, and communicating them effectively to others. A strong personal brand can help individuals stand out in a crowded professional landscape and attract opportunities for growth and advancement. Cabane also addresses the role of empathy in cultivating charisma. She explains that empathetic leaders are better able to understand the needs and motivations of their team members, which, in turn, fosters loyalty and commitment. The author provides exercises designed to improve empathetic skills, such as active listening and mirroring body language. Finally, the book explores the importance of emotional courage in displaying charisma. This involves being willing to take risks, confront challenges, and express one's authentic self, even in the face of potential criticism or rejection. By embracing emotional courage, individuals can tap into their innate charisma and inspire others to do the same. Throughout the charisma myth, Cabane supports her arguments with numerous real-world examples and scientific studies. She draws on a diverse range of sources, including psychology, sociology, anthropology, and neuroscience, to provide a comprehensive understanding of charisma and its various components. The book is written in an engaging and accessible style, making it suitable for a wide audience, including professionals, students, and anyone interested in improving their social influence and leadership skills.